One way of preserving fruit and vegetables is by drying. So here I have some chili peppers that I got at the market yesterday, and I have laid these out on a cookie sheet and just put them in my back room, which serves as the sunroom. And they will dry out, and then I'm going to crush them up into a chili powder that I will store and use in the winter months for chili and any kind of culinary uses like that. These chili peppers could also be strung up on a piece of thread, just like you would do beans or leather breeches. So they could be strung up and hung up to dry, or put in front of a hearth fire on a sheet. And you can even put them outside on sawhorses to dry out in the sun. For more information on food preservation, please look up Sassmouth Auntie's podcast anywhere that you get your podcasts, like Apple, Spotify, and Amazon Music.